Wouldn't it be great to grow your own fresh, crisp apples at home? Well, I have a product that I'm testing out. You may want to give it a shot. Now, something else you want to consider is that even though you'll start producing your own apple trees, and you need to at least have a minimum of two, because apple trees are not self-pollinating. They need a second one so that they can get the cross-pollination going on so that you actually start producing fruit. But something to take in consideration is that you're still looking at 2 to 4 years before you start fruiting at all. So it's a long and arduous process, but this is a tree, it's not a plant. So don't expect for immediate gratification. This has been Urban Gardening with Gray. Enjoy life, enjoy your family, and enjoy your garden. Thanks for watching, guys.